You invent the sports sedan. Race car drivers swear by it. Car enthusiasts love it. It becomes one of the world's favorite luxury cars. What do you do next? Well, if you're BMW, you keep making it better. The new BMW 3 Series. Discover driving pleasure.
We're going to take you to Art District 13, where we're going to show you the installation process of the Gopal Samantray show, which opened on the 13th of May and will continue till the end of June.
Yes, this is the first show of Gopal at Art District 13. He has another solo show in 2012, and after that he was doing only group shows. But then, since then, he is working on his works, and he has made this show possible after 4 years, a solo show with 27 works.